A pipe wrench is considered heavy-duty based on its construction, materials, and ability to handle tough plumbing tasks. One key factor is the material used for the wrench's body. Heavy-duty pipe wrenches are typically made from high-strength steel or cast iron, ensuring they can withstand high levels of stress and provide the necessary torque for loosening stubborn pipes. These materials also make the wrench more durable and resistant to wear over time. Another feature that contributes to a pipe wrench's heavy-duty classification is its size and design. Larger pipe wrenches, such as 18-inch or 24-inch models, provide more leverage, allowing for increased torque to handle larger pipes or those that are particularly rusted or corroded. The length and robust build of these wrenches allow for more forceful gripping and turning, making them ideal for industrial or professional plumbing applications. Additionally, heavy-duty pipe wrenches often have reinforced jaws or teeth, ensuring they maintain a strong grip on pipes without slipping. Some models may also have adjustable or replaceable parts, further enhancing their longevity and performance. Overall, a heavy-duty pipe wrench is built to endure challenging plumbing tasks, providing both strength and reliability.